$1,500. If this is your budget for building your next gaming PC and you want a PC where you will be able to play games at 1440p resolution with high to ultra settings, then this video is for you. Now for the processor, we have chosen the Intel Core i5-12400. This one costs just under $200. Now with this processor, you will get up to 4.4 GHz clock speed, which is more than enough for gaming, and you will also get 6 core and 12 threads, which will give you a medium level performance in productive level workload. Then we will be using a CPU cooler Vetro V5 White. Now this $35 cooler is rated at 150 watt TDP, so this cooler will be more than enough to handle the CPU even under high stress. And the fan you are getting with this, it's an ARGB fan, so you can change the color of this fan individually, and also you can sync this with your casing fans. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the Asus ROG Strix B660A Gaming. This one costs around $200. Now you don't need to spend that much amount for a 12400 CPU, but if you're looking for an excellent quality motherboard and also good looking white motherboard, you can choose this. As you can see, this motherboard comes with 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 4 support, and you will get 2 NVMe slots, so you will be able to use 2 NVMe SSD. Also a larger heatsink in the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling, and just under $200. It's an excellent motherboard. But if you want, you can always go with cheaper options, like this one costs around $130. It's all up to you. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro SL 32GB RAM. Now each of the sticks are 16GB, so in total we will get 32GB, and this one costs around $104. Now, as you can see, this RAM looks excellent with those white heatsink, and you will also get fancy RGB on the top, which you will be able to control with IQ softwares. And as you all know, Corsair is an excellent RAM brand, so for under $100 it's a great purchase. Then comes the main part of our build, Gigabyte Vision OC GeForce RTX 3070 8GB graphics card. This one costs around $600. Now not only this graphics card looks cool, but also you will be able to play any games on Earth at 1440p resolution with high to ultra settings, so it's an excellent card for $600 for 1440p gaming. Then for the SSD, you are choosing the best selling SSD on Earth, Samsung 980 Pro 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. This one costs around $100, and as you can tell by the reviews, this SSD is loved by thousands of people. Now that's because this SSD have an insane level 5000 to 700 Mbps read-ready speed, which is the fastest in its class, and for just under $100 you are getting a 1TB fastest SSD in consumer grade. Then for the power supply, you have chosen the Corsair RM850W. This one costs around $129. Now reason for choosing this, as you can see, it's a fully modular power supply with 10 plus years of warranty, so it will be easily able to deliver power to all of our components very safely. And it also have 80 plus gold certification, which is excellent for a power supply. And as it is an 850W power supply, it leaves you with the option to upgrade graphics card in future, like you can easily upgrade to RTX 4080 easily if you want to. And finally for the casing, we have chosen the Lanley Land Cool Mesh. This one costs around $122. As you can see, it's an excellent white looking casing, and you will also get 3 pre-installed ARGB fans in the front, so you will be able to change the color of those fan individually. Also you are getting a mesh front, so there will be excellent airflows, but keep that in mind, casing is completely up to you. It doesn't affect the performance that much, so buy whichever you want, and all those components will cost around $1,545 including shipping. Thanks for watching.